Hey everybody, I am today going to try, in my head it sounds like it's going to work really well, a puddle pour mallet smash. So if it's working in my head, it probably won't go onto the canvas. But first, I want to give a huge thank you to Joyce for her generous PayPal contribution to my channel. I really appreciate it, so thank you very much. Hang on, I gotta get a drink. Okay, so in this piece, in my head, I had it where I'm going to do these three colors in puddle pours. And now that's not working in my head. And I was going to do white and a mallet smash in the middle. I don't think it's going to work now that I'm playing it out in my head. But I'm going to try it anyways. And we'll see if it works or doesn't work. I am going to put, for once, I'm putting the silicone into the white. So just 3 drops into there. Stir that up. So, yeah, because now I'm thinking that the white, when I smash it, is probably just going to cause a bunch of white cells all over. Well, let me try something else then. As you can see, this canvas has already been through a lot. So what's another lousy painting gonna do to it? No, I don't want that. I'm thinking, because my initial thought was to keep doing bigger puddle pours, so the whole surface would be teal, blue, and the purple, which actually Prism Violet, Artist Left Metallic Blue, and Grumbacher Turquoise Green. So those are what those are. So that was my first thought. But now I'm thinking that's not a good idea. I got another idea brewing, sort of. I want this circle a little bigger. All right, so now I have another idea in my head. This is still the white with silicone. Bear with me. I'm thinking as I'm pouring. Okay. Can you like hear the wheels burning in my brain? Okay. I think I'm going to use a straw. First, I'm gonna add some more white. Let's see. I'm doing it mainly on the edges right now because they're purple. From that dip I did the other day, that was more just for fun. So I wiped it off, which is why this canvas is purple. I just don't want to waste all this white. Okay. All right. Well, maybe I'll try the mallet. See what happens. There's like 2 inches of paint in the middle of this that I'm not sure. I have to tip it off some way. Maybe I can somehow get some of it in here at least. or none of it at all in there. Yeah. Now what I'm letting it sit for a bit because you can see different color cells are popping up through the other colors. So I need a bigger container to catch this paint in. Yeah, I'm not getting any of it. This is not at all what was in my head, but it sure is pretty. But yeah, this is not at all what was going on in my brain. But I do like it. You know what, maybe I'm gonna, I could still salvage this stuff. I can use it for sometimes I'll save the drip offs for their own little painting. This is very pretty, and I'm going to check to see how much. I'm trying to get some of this paint off my gloves so that I don't ruin it when I stick my finger in it. Still quite a bit of paint. I think we're good now. Need to pour. Cover these edges up because they are still purple. And as they dry, since there was silicone in the white, they may stay a little purple. Hopefully not. I don't think I want this heavy of blue right here though. done that. Okay. I'm gonna torch a little because there's so many air bubbles. And I'm hoping it doesn't explode with cells. It is exploding. All along here. So far they're pretty, so hopefully they don't overtake. That was a fun one to do, different than bald spot there. Different from what I normally even attempt to do. So, turned out really good, and the colors are perfect for each other. I mean, oh, I just stepped in a huge paint puddle. So, there you go. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.